so today is gonna be a real interesting day. We're finally gonna take a look at the new seat. What do you think?
Bueno. It's the same seat, but we got it reupholstered. We didn't take a video before we went there, so we'll insert some pictures of before, and then you'll see the video of after.
This thing's heavy.
You gotta take out these panels. You gotta take those panels out, replace the X windows. These three, the first three windows right here are gonna be the opened windows for the emergency hatch windows. And we're gonna have one in our bedroom, which is here, our king size bed.
Ready? And guys, you need to save your screws because we might use them later.
There you go.
Okay, as you can tell, we took all the insulation out and all the panels on the sides and everything. And yeah, we're gonna keep going. We're gonna take this one out now and that one all the way.
Well, why do we have to take this one out? That confuses me.
This one?
Yeah.
Because we have to get to the lights on the back if we want to change them and the cables.
And we have to put 2x4s.
Yeah, 2x4s for the walls and everything, just to make everything like custom.
Should we make this a shelf for our bedroom? No.
We'll see. And we also gonna move this one right here because we're gonna use it for maybe bookshelf or something like that. But look how much space we're wasting in there. It's a lot. So we're just gonna take this out so we can get to the cables and everything and make our own custom storage thing. When you're working on your box, I highly suggest you to have like different cups, different containers for different screws. For example, right here, the window screws right there. We want to keep all those with the rings right here so that when we go put the windows back, we know where they are and we don't lose any. So I just wanted to show y'all that on the emergency exits, like this one right here, what you're gonna find is a little cable connected to them. So this cable right here, simply cut it off. Just cut it off and then pull the window out. If not, you're not gonna be able to. But yeah, this cable is only the emergency ones, and this were to tell the driver when this were open right here, just in case there was any bad kids, something like that. So yeah, cut it. Ta-da! That's all you gotta do. Hey, anybody want a burrito? $5, come on! guys, so all windows are taken out, and I want to give you a quick tip. So if you will take the windows out, make sure you have good team. All right, so on station number 1 we got Drew right here, and he's gonna be our window washer. What are you gonna do, Drew?
I'm gonna wash, clean these, and scrub, clean them.
What?
I'm gonna wash, scrub, and clean them and spray them. I'm gonna be the best window washer you have in the world. Alright, this is how it's supposed to look. Clean. No dirt, no nothing.
This is the 2 blue station. What you do is you take your little measurements, take it to the paper station, cut it, bring your paper back over here, and just tape the crap out of it. Make sure that it's gonna be good and tight. That's what she said.
And there we have it. So what are we doing that for?
So we can spray paint it. Oh, you think we're done, huh? No, we have a whole nother side.
Already, we are about to finish. We have 3 windows left to power wash, and she's resting over here, and we only have 3 windows covered, ready to be painted.
And I did that all by myself. That's 12 pieces cut it and fitted exactly in.
Yeah, but we have 24 windows, baby.
I know.
So we still have a lot of work to do, and it seems like it's gonna rain, so I don't know if you can see the sky. Looks like it's gonna rain today, and we were supposed to paint everything and put it back in the bus all in one day, but we're not gonna be able to unless it doesn't rain, which I really hope so.
Hey guys, that's all we have for this video. We didn't finish the windows that day. It started raining and it didn't stop raining for like 2 weeks. So we put a pause on the windows and started working on something else. And you'll see that next week. And then you'll see the finished video for the windows coming soon.